Hello, I'm Elizabeth and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a scallop roll. And in this roll we're going to have the smaller scallop. They've already been cooked, sauteed in the pan with a little bit of oil and sesame seeds. And then we're going to utilize the small, in the grocery store it's labeled salad size shrimp. So these are cooked. In this we have 2 shredded crab sticks. And then inside the roll we will have avocado, cucumbers, the crab imitation sticks, and tempura shrimp. Let's get started. So first I'm going to take the scallops, salad shrimp. This is a 2-ounce bag. Put that in there. And the shredded crab, those together. And in this bowl, I have a teaspoon of warmed up honey. So it'd be liquid, but not piping hot. So it's just warm enough to help get it out of the bowl. I have cayenne pepper. And in this container, we have masago. This is orange fish roe. I'm going to take a tablespoon. Add that in. And then Japanese mayo. So I'm going to be generous. It's going to be 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Sriracha, this is 1/4, and then 1/4 cayenne, few grinds of the pepper. Use sesame seeds in there, and we're going to stir this together. All right, there we have it. We have our mixture of the scallops, crab, and shrimp. We're going to set that to the side while we assemble our roll. Here we have our nori sheet. We have a smooth and rough side, and it's a rectangle. So I'm going to turn the rectangle to where it's the shortest length, and I'm going to put the rice on the rough side. So I dip my hands into the vinegar, rice vinegar, to help keep the rice from sticking to my hands. Now to learn how to make this sushi rice, go ahead and click on the link below the video for the how-to video to make your sushi rice. So while I'm moving the rice around, I'm careful not to crush it. We're just gently moving it to all edges. We do not want it too thick and we don't want it too thin. But it's okay if not every single part of the sheet is completely covered. That was one of the first mistakes I was making when I was first learning, is I was making them extremely thick and then it was harder to roll it. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to put the sesame seeds on at this point. So I keep a shaker with black and white toasted sesame seeds in this jar just to make it easier to apply. We're going to flip this over, and on the inside we're going to use the breaded shrimp. I went ahead and cut the little tails off. We're going to grab to about 1/4 thick on the avocado. She likes a lot of avocado, so I'm going to be a little generous. And in your home, when you're making your roll, you can be as generous as you want with your favorite toppings. And we're going to use some cucumbers. So these cucumbers are thin sliced. And then next is the crab sticks. So this can be a lot to roll all in one turn. So what I'm going to do is put the crab sticks to the side and just roll this piece here. I'm going to hold with my fingers, thumbs are on the back, and I roll forward, press. It's a good press right there. Now I'm going to add the crab sticks. Again, hold from the back, pull forward, press, almost to the end. One more good roll. There we have it. So the seam will stay on the bottom. Keep that covered. All right, put this to the side. Okay, so when we're cutting the roll, we want to make sure that we use a sharp knife. It's essential to use a sharp knife so that you're not smashing. In the event you do have a knife that's not as sharp, you're going to use more of a sawing motion to go through the roll. So I'm going to put some vinegar again on my fingers because I'm going to be holding the roll. And then I add vinegar to the knife. The moisture keeps the knife from sticking to the roll. All right, so I'm going to go through the center first. We're going to make 8 slices. So 1, 2, 3. So I'll make 4. So here we go. I'm going to clean my knife again. It's important to keep the knife clean for a smooth cut. And as the buildup happens, we just stop and clean again. Last cut. There you have it. We have 4 pieces on either side, and now it's time to plate it. So we're going to go ahead and take the salad mix and place that on top of each piece. The last step is to drizzle the sriracha mayo across the top. And add a little bit more color. And there you have it, the scallop roll. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.